I got this cool little K&F LED light that is very, very useful. I need video lights for my videography, especially when I'm filming weddings. I kind of like to carry a small light like this because during reception, when it's time to dance, I usually turn off my video lights so I'm not interrupting their mood, because you got the disco lights going on and you got the strobe lights going on, and you don't want to take away the party vibe by having 3 video lights just all lighting the dancers, just kind of making them feel uncomfortable. You know what I'm talking about. And I also have videographer friends that just blast the dance floor just so that they could get their shots. But to me, I think it's important that we give them their mood. It's their wedding. They want a party vibe. And of course, when you're dancing, you want it to be kind of dark and you want the party lights to kind of set the mood, and you don't want to interrupt that flow. So I like to carry around a small little LED light to light the person that's dancing. Sometimes just kind of hold it like this, but I have it on my camera. It's got a little quarter mount. And the cool thing about this tiny light is that on top of it being so affordable, it's such a powerful light. It's got a tiny little screen. It's got 3 modes. So when you first turn it on, it obviously is a regular light. It's very bright. Internal battery lasts 2 hours at full brightness. You could control the warmth and the coolness. And then you click here to go to the next mode, and it has an RGB mode. Full color spectrum. You just spin the dial to change the colors. It also has a light effect. It's got police, lightning, strobe, flashes, candlelight TV, and all the cool effects that you need for a short film if you are using it for a little short film. And on top of that, it has a magnet on the back. For a very cheap light, it definitely packs a punch. You get so much features for this tiny little light, and it looks cool. I love the design, and I love K&F products. They definitely have all the cool stuff. I got the discount code link below. It's already cheap, but I still got the discount code link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.